Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here with ARES Tools. In this video we're going to look at our ARES 53013 Professional Lever Action Grease Gun. This is a professional level grease gun. It is packed with features that are going to help you get jobs done quickly, easily, and safely. First, you have comfortable non-slip grips on the handle and barrel, a solid friction lock on the piston rod, and a push air bleed valve on the head unit. All ARES grease guns feature heavy-duty die-cast pump heads, units with the air bleed valves. Our lever action grease gun is designed for three-way loading, as well as it can be bulk loaded by taking the head off through suction, and then also you have the injection fitting right here, and you can load it up with your cartridge holding up to 400 cc's of bulk lubricant. With a working pressure of 4,500 psi, this grease gun delivers an ample amount of grease with each stroke. Easy pump lever action handle design. All ARES 14-ounce grease guns come with an 18-inch flex hose that features an anti-kink spring guard, and a heavy-duty 1200 psi rated grease coupler is already installed on these guys. Another nice feature is this plastic cap to help keep things nice and clean and stop all the dripping and mess that can happen. You also get a 6-inch extension offset, and it also comes with the coupler. Everything you need for quick and easy grease or getting into tricky, hard to reach fitting. So let's load this thing up and put it to work. For today's demonstration, we are using a 14-ounce cartridge. Make sure that your plunger has been drawn all the way back and the rod is securely in the lock position. You can unscrew the head before you draw this back. It helps allow some air to come in there. It makes it easier to draw that back because of the suction. So go ahead and unscrew it. You want to make sure on your cartridge that you take the plastic cap off. That's the end that goes into the gun, like so. Go ahead and remove the metal cap and reinstall your head, being careful not to cross thread anything. Okay, we're snug there. Back it off just a little, let some air out. So now you release the lock piston rod, screw the head back on tight, and release the air using the nice handy bleed valve on top, and start priming it up. Okay, so we're going to use our freshly loaded grease gun on this ball joint here. It's very important to keep your joints lubricated. If they wear out prematurely, it becomes a safety issue. So you always want to make sure that you keep up on your maintenance. So you take your coupler, push it down on your fitting, go ahead and give it a couple of pumps. Now, if it's an established fitting that's been greased before, it usually only takes a couple of pumps. If it's a new fitting, you're going to have to pump it up a little more than that until you have evidence that it has been filled up. And usually that evidence is you see grease coming out of somewhere. So once the joint has been fully lubricated, go ahead and remove your coupler. Wipe off any excessive grease. And there you go. The ARES 53013 Professional Lever Action Grease Gun, built to last. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.